So here we go, guys. Episode 1 of our prison series, and it's here. The server's back up today, so we're going to record on episode 1 of prison and it's going to start on MV Prison. It is on the server play.basicpvp.net. The IP will be in the description as well, but that is the IP. So we're going to go to server prison. So that's what you're coming to get onto the prison server. And you come to it in like this. So we haven't really started, but I've done kits just to see. So we've got them all in here. We got, you start with a donor kit. Yeah, you get that as a restart pick, so I'll be using that. And you got some steak, so I'll get some steak and get a couple god apples so I don't die. So we got. Do we start off with any money? No, we don't. I think you did, but I think I paid it all to a guy, so I can do this all legit, and it can go for ages. So yeah, so we're gonna do kit PvP, see what we get. We don't get a what's it called, so we're gonna do a little PvP with that. We don't get a like plot until like rank. I don't know. But we'll see what happens. So if you want to give me any gifts, my name is BearCup2424 in game, or yeah, so just chuck me a message and yeah, I'll be accepting any gifts. So whoopee. Let's get this party started. So let's go for 15 likes. 15 likes for the first prison video, because these ones will take a bit longer to record and render, because take more effort than survival games. So yeah, 15 likes seems fair. So oh wow, we're gonna man, and hopefully we get no like. That's pretty cool how we get it put in our inventory. I like that. I like that a lot. So it also creates less lag on the server. So yeah. So I'm going for like some work experience tomorrow. That's also what I want to do in prison series, is like talk of topics. So like put topics you want me to answer. It can be anything dirty, not dirty. I don't care what I answer. Just put them in the comment section below, and I'll answer them next video. But what I'm going to talk today is about. What was I going to say? Oh yeah, just me in general. Yeah, it's all about me. Is that? Oh, gosh, I forget stuff. I gotta write notes like other YouTubers, but nah, YOLO. So I'll go for some. Getting my sign form tomorrow. So there probably won't be any videos tomorrow, but we'll see. I'll see what goes on. I'll see what happens. I'm gonna be starting recording CS:GO, and I'll be starting to. Yeah, so basically, I'm going to be trying to get a job. I'm getting a work experience as a cabinet maker. So if any of you got any experience or know anyone that does cabinet making, comment what they think of it. Comment what like abilities you need to be a good cabinet maker. I know it's a bit random, it's just coming out there. Also secondly of all, I might be doing like tips if you want shout outs. I can do like shout out Fridays or something. Yeah, I know I'm a small channel, so it probably won't do much at the moment, but we'll see. And then I've got, what else do I have coming? Maybe I don't know. There's not much coming for this channel actually. One day it'll be big. So I've made 47 cents so far in my YouTubing career. I'll get paid that by Freedom this month sometime. So yeah, 27 cents. YOLO, I can saving up for a car or better computer system. So yeah, 47 cents is a long way to it. Also tell me in the comment sections if you think like putting my donation link to my PayPal is dog in the description. Like if I want you guys to donate, you can donate like 50 cents, anything to help me. So that'll be in the description. Donate whatever you want. Give me even 1 cent. I think you can do that as well. Anything that will help, guys. Because 1 cent, if everyone donates 1 cent, that's 86 cents, 89 cents. So yeah. What was if someone like with a million partners? Like yeah, that'll be $100. Yeah, buddy. Or something, 1,000, whatever. So yeah, this is my. It'll be in the description as well. But this is my PayPal. So if you wanna put anything through, so lionkins@gmail.com. So send any money you got spare, even if it's a couple cents, it'll help me add up for a new gaming computer or something. So that's my PayPal. It'll also be in the description. Alright, so we're gonna sell this and see how close we are to ranking up. Let's turn that into iron ingots. I think we oh, sorry about that, guys. Cool. No. Alright, so it's such money. So we got 32k, and how much do we? Oh, 72, 75k. Whew, that's a lot. Whew. So I'm sorry, this will probably be a short episode today because I haven't got much to talk about. Also be starting. I'll probably be doing a Q&A at 100 subs. So yeah, I'll make a video especially for that soon. Because I know you guys have been busting out the subs. 89 subs already for like a 3-week-old channel. It's not even a month yet. Not even a month. And we're busting it out. Let's keep this growth rate, and that would be awesome. That would be the best thing. So I think I'm about to end this video. Just one more little mining trip to see how much money we can make from it. Yeah, also tell me if you want like speed mines. I know like some of you will want it, some of you won't. Just comment. There's gonna be a lot of comments. I want so many comments. I want like you all to comment a million times. Not a million times, because I won't read them all. But I'll read as many as you put in there. So yeah, that'll be cool. So how much money do I have on PayPal already? $2.39. And what's the cheapest rank on here? OP picks. That's that. Prison ranks. $10. Don't have 10. Alright. My goal is to get $10 by the end of this month. Yeah, big goal right there. You guys can donate 0.1 cents, or even if you have no money on PayPal, you can just like the video, tell your friends about my videos. I get a little bit of money from that. Sorry if I'm sounding like a money whore. I just need the money to keep this going. Because my parents aren't going to pay for anything, so it's all about, it's what I can do. And I've got other commitments at the moment, so, yeah, that's sad. So we're going to sell this and see what we come up with. It's over here. Also, it might be like, I really need another person to do videos with, who has, he doesn't have to do YouTube, but he's got to have a decent mic. No fuzz in the background. No parents screaming all time round. I know parents have to scream, but not like 24/7. So that would be cool. If I can find someone like that, just comment and add me on Skype, which is Lionkins24 as well. That was 3 at the end, but 24. So how much money do we have? Alright, not enough to rank up. But I'm pretty sure next time you see me, I'll be like rank B100. And yeah, also comment. I won't do any off-camera work unless you tell me you want me to do off-camera work, so you're not seeing all the boring parts like mining. I can do some PvP and everything. So tell me what you guys want about that in the comment section. So remember, there's going to be a lot of comments, so comment, like, subscribe, and I hope you've enjoyed episode 1, and I'm losing my voice, so I won't have any voice tomorrow for my interview, but oh well, this has been a pleasure, and chill guys, and goodbye.